Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. What you're looking at here on the screen is a 10-minute chart of Emerson Electric. Emerson Electric is gapping higher this morning, over 5%, and therefore it qualifies as one of our possible morning gap trades. We're looking for 63.31. I'm looking to short Emerson if it comes into and I get filled at $63.31. So it's coming up there. It's close. We should get filled. These are areas where I teach in my course how to identify. Here we go. I'm in. Okay, 63.31. Maybe it goes up to 63.50. That's normally what will happen, pierce through by a little bit. But I trade the mathematical levels that I teach you in my course how to come up with. These are levels where stocks are drawn to, A, that's number one, they're drawn to like a magnet, and B, they generally will have a price reaction in the other direction from these levels. In my course, A, I teach you how to come up with these levels, so you're going to be able to do trades just like you're seeing here. I teach you how to calculate the stop-loss limit. I teach you how to calculate the profit target. Speaking of which, I'm not going to let the stock get above 63.70. I will stop out over 63.70. I will be out of the trade with a profit if I can get to 62.85. So speaking of which, let me put that in. Okay, so 62.85 is where I have my order to buy back the shares that I've shorted at 63.31. Now we're coming down already. So this is nice. We're already in the money by about 30 cents. This was one of the stocks that was on my morning gap trade list that goes out to subscribers that get my gap trades each and every day. So each and every day I give out two lists. So there's two strategies in the gap trading methodology. One is the morning gap trades. That's what you're looking at here. These are scalp trades. These are where we're looking for, in a case like Emerson, we're looking for 35, 45, 50 cents, a quick scalp trade. Traders have 200 shares and some traders have 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 shares, everything in between. So everybody is making whatever is commensurate with their account size. So for example, if I have 1,000 shares of Emerson and I can get 45, or actually I'm looking for 46 cents on the trade, that's a $460 profit. In one trade, we're not even 10 minutes into the trading day. So there's other trades on the board. We have trades. We have other stocks that are filling their gaps. That's the second thing I give. I give out a list of stocks, two lists every morning. One is the morning gap trades, what you're looking at here. I give out, and for example, this morning, I gave out 6 possible morning gap trades. This is one of more than one that will hit today. And I also give a secondary list of gap fill trades. These are stocks coming back to fill gaps left open by a stock gapping higher or lower on a previous day's open. And so I keep track of these for my traders, and I put out a list each and every day of stocks that are coming close to filling their gaps. So traders have multiple opportunities with me to trade and learn an entire strategy, and you can build a full-time income around this strategy of gap trading. So let's get back to Emerson for a second. So Emerson's hanging around just above the $63 level. So we've been here for a few minutes. We've been here for almost 4 minutes now. And I'm really looking to get out of this trade within the next couple of minutes. I'm not looking to hang around any substantial period of time. I think we should, and I'm hoping, obviously, but we should get a dip below $63, and that should bring us down to about $63.80, and that'll represent a 50-cent possible gain on this trade. I'm looking for 46 cents, $63.85. So we should get it, and it's based on a calculation that I give out in my course on how to come up with the stop-loss limitation and the profit target, and it's a strategy in the course. I have a whole video module where I teach how to come up with these numbers. So it's not just coming up with the price levels, identify the stocks, which stocks this works with, identify how to calculate the price levels to buy a stock or short a stock at, and the profit target or the stop loss limitation. I give you everything you need to know. All right, we're coming down here. I should get filled here. I'm just a few pennies away. Let's see what we get. Okay, I'm filled. 62.85. I'm out of the stock. That was a nice gain. I'm not looking to hang around. Although in my course, I do teach a strategy, have a whole video module on a strategy where I teach how to turn a trade like this into a risk-free, emotionless trade looking for what we call a runner. And sometimes you'll get a stock like this one that'll pull back all the way to $61, $62, and you can catch a whole lot more out of the trade, and I teach you how to do that on a risk-free, emotionless basis. But I'm not looking to do that this morning. I'm looking to take the money I've already made, put it in my pocket, and looking to go into other trades. Speaking of which, that's why I'm going to wrap this video. This is David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Come over, check out the course. I teach you how to do everything that I talked about in this video each and every morning, over and over and over again. I teach you how to be successful trading the gaps, just like you see in all these videos each and every day. I'm David Frost, Lazy Gap Trader. Come over, check out the course, folks. Thanks for tuning in.